Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 3rd, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen, very sideways day today, overlapping sideways. We still haven't hit the 78% Fibonacci retracement from the daily time frame. Now that doesn't mean that it might not go down and grab some liquidity before it goes up, but I think overall it is going to end up continuing up to at least the 78%. It already made a little bit of a three-way pullback here, so it kind of seems logical that maybe this is three ways up for like a double three pattern. Maybe grab these highs and then maybe push down and grab these lows, and then maybe we'll end up getting another push up to finally grab this 78% Fibonacci retracement. Now, for me, I definitely have a long only bias because trying to trade this push down is very unpredictable. It definitely doesn't have to even do that. It could easily just push its way up to the 78% and beyond. So definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.